Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, how are you? I hope that you all are fine and safe in your home. Please take care of yourself and your family. Today we are going to start our next video lecture of class 6 English, and this is our textbook. In last lecture we read the unit 2 Faisal's New Football, its reading and translation. Today we will solve its exercise. So all the students open your book page number 16. We will solve from exercise A to E, and also bring out your planners of planner 2. So let's open your book page number 16 and try to solve with me these questions. Exercise A, answer the following question. Question number 1, why were Ahmed and Faisal sad? Why mean kyun? Faisal and Ahmed sad mean udas. Why were the Ahmed and Faisal sad? The answer is given in your planner. Answer 1. Ahmed and Faisal were so sad because Ahmed balls with which they used to play got burst. Used to play mean खेलते थे, got burst फट गई थी. Second question, who gave Faisal a new football? Who mean कौन gave Faisal a new football? नया फुटबॉल दिया. The answer is that Faisal's uncle from Malaysia gave him a new football. Who gave a new football? Faisal's uncle from Malaysia. Third question is that where did he keep his football that night? Where mean कहाँ did he keep his football that night? Night mean रात को. The answer is given that night he kept his football beside his pillow. Beside means साथ ही, pillow mean तकिए के साथ. Question number 4, what did he dream? Dream mean ख्वाब देखा. What mean क्या? The answer is given he dreamed he played very well in a match against another class. He scored many goals with this ball. Question number 5, how did Ahmed kick the ball when Faisal threw it to him? How mean कैसे? Answer is 5 is that when Faisal threw the ball to Ahmed, he gave it a hard kick. Hard means सख्त kick लगाई. Why did Faisal run home with the football? Why mean क्यों? He thought by being kicked so hard the ball would got spoiled. Spoiled mean खराब हो जाएगी. Therefore he ran home with his football. Question number 7, with whom did he play in the garden? With whom mean किसके साथ he play in the garden? The answer is given at home he play with his younger brother mean छोटे भाई के साथ. In the garden mean बाग में. Question number 8, why didn't he enjoy kicking the football to the wall? Didn't enjoy mean नहीं मज़ा आ रहा था. Answer is that he did not enjoy kicking the ball to the wall because it was not any fun at all. Okay. Question number 9, what were the boys doing in the field? What mean क्या? Were the boys doing mean कर रहे थे. In the field mean मैदान में. Answer 9 is that the boy were having a game in the field. Question number 10, why did the game stop suddenly? Stop mean रुक गया. Suddenly अचानक. Why mean क्यों? Suddenly the game stopped because the football had burst. Burst mean फट गया था. Question number 11, who said he would go home to get his football? Who mean कौन said that would go to get his football? 11 question answer is that a boy who was watching mean देख रहा था the game said he would go home to get the ball that his grandfather gave him a day before. Question number 10, why did the boy cheer Faisal? The boy cheered the Faisal because he kicked the ball hard which flew direct to the center of the field. This was the exercise A answer question. Okay, now exercise B. Replace the underlined word in the sentence with the following. Now, dear student, the meaning of underlined word and are given in yellow box. You just choose the correct meaning of every word that was underlined. Okay, first one is that Faisal gave Ahmed the football reluctantly. Reluctantly mean bedili ke saath. So unwillingly is the suitable meaning of for this word. Second, the football burst and the game had to be postponed. Postpone mean ruk jana. So put off is exact meaning for this word. Suddenly the game stops. Suddenly mean achanak, quick and unexpectedly. They were kicking the ball vigorously. Vigorously energetically. So exact meaning for this word is energetically. The boy cheered Faisal loudly. Loudly mean gave a shout of joy and praise. So these are the exact meaning or suitable meanings of these underlined word. Last, there is activity mentions. What did we call people who do this job? Okay, and first one is a paint picture is a painter, sell meat is a butcher, make suit is a tailor, make wooden objects carpenter, sell medicine chemist, look after sheep shepherd, look after our teeth is a dentist. So these are the people who do these jobs. Okay, now exercise C on book page number 17 is that find out the opposites. Opposites mean ulat alfaz. First one is a rich, amir, poor, गरीब, happy, खुश, sad, उदास, strong, मजबूत, weak, कमज़ोर, empty, खाली, full, भरा हुआ, टॉप ऊंचा, बॉटम नीचे, सीनियर बड़ा, जूनियर छोटा, टॉल लंबा, शॉर्ट छोटा, हार्ड सख्त, सॉफ्ट नर्म, अवर ऊपर, अंडर नीचे, ब्यूटीफुल खूबसूरत, अगली बदसूरत, मास्टर मालिक, स्लेव गुलाम, लाइट हल्का, हैवी भारी, लॉन्ग लंबा, शॉर्ट छोटा, फैट मोटा, स्मार्ट पतला, इन अंदर, आउट बाहर, इंटेलिजेंट ज़हीन, डल सुस्त या कायल. ओके. Exercise D. Match the proverb with their meaning. Proverbs. What are the proverbs? Proverbs are well-known phrase or a sentence that give advice or says something that is generally true. Okay, it is a brief, simple, and popular saying. Okay, so we have to match these proverbs with their meanings. First one is action speak louder than word. Action mean आपका अमल आपके लफ्ज़ों से ज़्यादा वज़नी होता है. So we have to match with this word with the third one. What a person does is more valuable than what he says. Second is charity begins at home. मदद करना, हेल्प करना आपके अपने घर से शुरू होती है. Last one, first we must help our family. Third one, beggars cannot be chooser. मांगने वाला कभी भी किसी चीज़ का चूज़ नहीं कर सकता. First one, people who give back cannot give their opinion. Number 4, be easier said than done. कहना काम करने से ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है. The second one, it is much more difficult to do than to talk about. Number 5, no pain, no gain. ना आप पेन लोगे ना आपको कुछ मिलेगा. You need to work hard if you want to achieve something. Number 4. So these are the proverbs. Last exercise E. Match the idioms with their meanings. Okay, what are the idioms? Idiom is a group of words which meaning is different from the meanings of individual words. Okay, so there are idioms and there are the meanings. We have to match the exact idiom with exact meaning. So first one is a bed of roses. Bed of roses mean खुशियाँ खुशियाँ. An easy and comfortable place. Number 4. As clear as the ball. ऐसा साफ जैसे कि घंटी. घंटी, you can notice that it is related to our hearing. Last one, very easy to hear. A wet blanket. A person who spoil other people's enjoyment. Okay, wet blanket. We will match the third one with the second. In the same boat with the third, in the same difficulty or position. Number 4 with third. Number 5, go like a bomb. ऐसे जाओ जैसे कि bum. So we will match this one with 1 to move very fast. Okay, dear student, these are our exercise from exercise A to E. You have to solve these exercises on your separate sheet or register. Thank you so much. We will meet again inshallah with next video lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.